Hi friends and hi fall. Finally it is fall. Today I'm going to share to you one of my favorite fall drink. This is the pumpkin spice latte. If you go to Starbucks, this is the most common drink that normally people will order during fall. So I created my own drink, which is more like a healthier version of the Starbucks one. If you want to learn how I make this, please keep on watching. And here's our ingredients. We start off with the pumpkin pie spice. If you can't find the pumpkin pie spice, I have ingredients listed down below in the description box and how to make your own pumpkin pie spice. I also have a brown sugar. If you don't like brown sugar, you could substitute it with any type of sugar that you like, or even maple syrup. Pumpkin puree. This is a dark brewed coffee, and the coconut milk. This is the coconut milk I'm using. You're welcome to use any type of milk. If you're not allergic to milk, go ahead and use any milk you have in your fridge already. Start off, you're gonna need a small to medium size of saucepan, just like this. We're gonna cook this for about low to medium heat. Start with the milk, and then just add the rest of the ingredients. Start from the sugar, the pumpkin puree. Don't waste any ingredients. Scrape as much as you can. Also the pumpkin pie spice. And this is simple. All you have to do is mix them together. You don't have to overcook the mixture. Just make sure then when it starts bubbling, then you just turn the heat off. Mix this until everything are well incorporated. When you see bubbling like this, go ahead and turn the heat off. Then just set it aside. If you don't like those chunky pieces of the pumpkin, go ahead and strain it, just like what I'm doing right here. Using a strainer, just pour that mixture over. Now again, if you like the texture of the pumpkin in your drink, then skip this part. And we're gonna go ahead and set this aside because we're gonna create our drink. And to create our drink, we just need a clean glass. Add your coffee. If you have espresso maker, go ahead and use your espresso, maybe 2 shots of espresso. Then add the pumpkin spice latte mixture, just like this. And to make it more prettier and deliciously more presentable, go ahead and top it with the non-dairy Cool Whip. But then I realized that my Cool Whip is already gone because I use this all the time. So I went ahead and used whatever Cool Whip I have in the fridge. Now we're going to top this with the pumpkin pie spice powder, just to make it more prettier, just like that. And to add more decorative fall into this drink, I'm gonna top it with the cinnamon stick. Look how pretty that drink is. It's not just pretty, it smells so good. The combination is cinnamon, coconut milk, and pumpkin. It just smells so good. This is fall. This is why I love fall. The smell of the cinnamon and the pumpkin is just so soothing. I hope you like this video, guys, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. It was so good. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Absolutely delicious. Oh man, that is so delicious. Again, thank you everyone for watching. Until next time, ciao!